Hi, good morning. This is just another video to let you know of all the hardships that we put to uh, because of the house repair. Right now, this is the place where we cook in because we cannot cook inside, and that's my dog making a big noise. Now, this is a place where we had to cover up some of our furniture and other items inside the house. And yesterday we realized that some of the items we put there were destroyed. We had to throw them into the trash can. So we cannot have everything inside because they're repairing it. Now, these are the tiles. We purchased these tiles because the tiles that are provided by Pro Friends in the toilet, they are very slippery, and I have fallen down several times. I've already been to the doctor twice. This is the tiles that Pro Friends have bought. Now, like I said, we have been put into so much of inconvenience each day. I work online at night, and it's very difficult for me. Now, these are the rubbles that are being piling and piling up there. They said they have no place to dump it. So just to give you a brief idea of the inconveniences that you guys uh, put us through. Now it's day and I should be sleeping now because I've slept last night, and I've been waiting for the workers to come in. It's almost 11 o'clock and no workers have come in. So this is it. This is how we are living in a 4 million house. And I hope they at least have pity on us, you know. Most of our things are out in the sun there, and it's a house that is all messy now. We cannot do anything, cannot put any furniture. My TV is all full of dust. I cannot put it upstairs. I have no more place upstairs. So look at my television. In fact, it already got destroyed because I think the dust or something got into it, and then the table was moved by one of the workers, so I just do not know what happened. So the other part of my couch is outside, and this is it. This is it. This is how we are living since the time they came in and they started to work on the house, and the work is so slow. And like today, nobody turned up, and they did not even tell me the reason why.